Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase digital content quality with Grammarly detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading and installing the Grammarly application if you haven't done so yet. Visit Grammarly.com and sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, access the Grammarly editor from the homepage. To begin improving your content, copy and paste your text into the editor. Pay attention to the suggestions on the right side of the screen. Grammarly will highlight spelling errors in red for you to correct. Take note of any grammatical issues highlighted in blue. Make sure to check for punctuation errors marked in purple. Use Grammarly's tone detector feature to understand how your writing sounds to your audience. Review the clarity suggestions provided to enhance readability. Consider using the conciseness feature to eliminate unnecessary words. Take advantage of the vocabulary enhancement suggestions to diversify your word choice. If you have a specific style guide you need to adhere to, utilize the genre-specific writing style option. After making your edits, read through your content again to ensure it aligns with your intended message. Once satisfied, export your edited text by clicking the download button. Remember to proofread one last time before publishing your content. By following these steps, you'll significantly enhance the quality of your digital content with Grammarly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.